everybody and welcome back to the Blossom Crochet channel. Firstly, let me just say that if this is your first time stumbling across my tutorial channel, then do just take a moment to subscribe, and also when you do that, click on the little bell icon so that you can receive notifications. That way you'll never miss whenever I upload a new video. So in this video we're going to talk about this absolutely beautiful baby blanket that I have just made, and I think this is quite possibly the most beautiful yarn and stitch combo that I have ever done. I'm absolutely over the moon with how this baby blanket has turned out. So you can see this is it. So it's got this almost like ice creamy, raspberry rippley type center. So I used what I had of this beautiful pink and cream yarn. I only had 2 balls of it, sadly, but if I just bring it in closer, hopefully you can see that gorgeous soft gradient with the cream and the pale pinks. And it genuinely is just so pretty. I absolutely love it. But because I only had 2 balls of it, I had to then team it with some other yarn, and thankfully I had some of the same type of yarn but just in a different colour. So I had a beautiful cream, which obviously you can see tones really nicely with the pinks and the cream in the blanket. It's exactly the same as that cream in the blanket, and I have just used that to make up however many rounds I could using the balls that I had of the cream, and it actually has doubled up to make a really lovely super chunky border around the edge. So I still have a couple of rounds that I can probably get out of this last ball, and I'm estimating that it will be about 1 meter square by the time I have finished. So pattern and yarn information, as you can see, this is a centre out blanket, and it is a shell stitch worked in the round, and it is so beautiful. I'm absolutely in love with how this has turned out. And the yarn, sadly the pink you can't get anymore, which is, I know, really disappointing, hence why I couldn't just buy more to carry on. I had to use the cream, but it's the Rico, let's see if that'll focus, the Rico Baby So Soft DK. You can still get different colours, you just can't get this beautiful pink and cream combo. So I've used a 4.5mm hook for this project. I did decide to size up just so that it would have a lovely drape to it. The yarn itself is really silky. I'm not sure if the camera will pick up on the sheen, but it's a really silky yarn. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure what the thing is. Let's have a little look. So, oh no, I can't read what it says. Oh, so it's just 100% acrylic yarn basically, but it's really silky and soft, and it will make the most beautiful soft baby blanket. So yeah, I will have used, I think in total 5 balls, so each ball is 100 grams, and I will have used 5 in total by the time I finish this last ball of cream. So the tutorial for the blanket itself is on my channel. I will of course leave a link for it in the description box. If I can find somewhere for the yarn, I will leave a link for that as well. But for now, yeah, just go and check out the tutorial if you want to make a blanket that looks just like this one. And it is so amazing. And I'm very excited to gift this baby blanket once it is completely finished. But check out the links in the description box, and I will see you for a normal tutorial really soon. It's actually going to be a variation on this blanket. So yeah, I'll see you there very soon. Bye for now.